All right, it's 4:25. We've got the gang here. We're gonna start our hike up. We're at Bear Lake. We're going to Lake Haiyaha.
I know a place.
All right, after a quick 2.2 miles, we made it to the top just in time to catch the beautiful sunrise.
So come away with me. Nobody has to know where we gonna go. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me.
All right, so we finished Lake Haiyaha and then we're down by Bear Lake. Everyone did so good. Early morning, we made it. I definitely recommend going to Lake Haiyaha and then Bear Lake after because the trail is very crowded compared to what it was this morning. But definitely check it out, worth the hike.